Good evening. We're at the Great Wolf Lodge in Gurnee, Illinois, and we're going to tour tonight a junior cabin suite. Let's see what it looks like. See, the door's even magically open here. So you'll see you're welcome to a nice reception area and closet, a bench where you could put a cooler, and here we'll just show you a little bit about, and there's a double bathroom, which is actually very comfortable, and a nice shower, and not surprisingly, a place to hold your, to hang your swimsuits, plenty of towels, comfy restroom. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're in a junior cabin suite. Where is the cabin? Well, you're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer and smash the like button if you wanna see it. So, as you see, this is actually a very specially upgraded room. This actually has a water slide view. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so those are actually slides that we'll be on in just a few short minutes that you actually go inside to outside and back in. Super fun, super cool, very warm, very comfortable. Here's a day bed that people enjoy. And you have your own heating and cooling that you can set. Obviously, it's winter here today, so that's going to be on the heating, but very comfortable, very warm. Nice, comfortable bed. I believe this is a queen. So suitable for a couple or a family. And then of course a day bed over here. And then let's take a look. Here we have a nice, I'd say probably like a 52-inch TV and upgraded refrigerator, drawers, and coffee maker. Now, you're probably wondering, why do they call this the junior cabin suite? Well, here's the best part of the room. This is the junior cabin. Okay, now if you're part of the wolf pack, you're going to find all of your friends here up on the wall, and here's a bed that's comfortably on the ground, and here's another bed and a bunk bed. Now of course everybody's going to fight over the bunk bed, and we all know that. I will say some parents have been known to fall asleep on this bed over here. I'm not going to say who. And it has its own TV and everything, and lights. So very comfortable, pretty private, but yet still close by. So this is a room that probably one of our favorite rooms. I really recommend it, and I hope you enjoy staying in the cabin suite as much as we enjoyed sharing this. And Happy New Year to you.